Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here in this question, the impulse of a force is defined as the product of the force and time it acts. So I is equals to F into T, where I is the impulse, F is the force in newtons, and T is the time. And plugging in the values, impulse is equals to 10 Newton into 0.2 seconds, and that comes out to be 2 Newton per second. Now, the final velocity of the stone is given by v is equals to 5 meter per second plus 2 Newton per second upon 2 kg, and that comes out to be 7 meter per second. Now, the direction of the final velocity is to the right. If the force act on the left, the impulse is I left, and that is equals to minus 10 Newton into 0.2 seconds, and that is minus 2 Newton per second. The final velocity will be v is equals to 5 meter per second minus 2 Newton per second, upon 2 kg, and that is equals to 3 meter per second. And the direction of the final velocity is to the left. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.